Okay, so there is my page. Now, I noticed as I was filming, I happened to look up at my camera and it wasn't recording. So I think the first section of this layout didn't record. I know I set it to record, but I possibly got a phone call or something and that has stopped the recording. So I must remember to put my phone on aeroplane mode before I film next time. But anyway, in case this is the only part of the video I have, as in the first bit didn't record, I will go through what I'm doing. So this layout was for the 52 photos YouTube hop, and the idea is to scrap your favorite photo from the week every week throughout the year. So these are my favorite photos from the first week of January 2026, and this is a trifle that I made for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. So I use a totally unrelated food collection for this. So there's no food related at all, embellishments, paper, anything on this layout, but I went for the colors. So it's got the orange is predominant in this, and the yellow in the custard, the orange in the mango. So I had recently got the, what's it called? Written in the Stars collection by Uniquely Creative, and it was all yellows and oranges and stars. And well, even though it's stars and not food related, I'm still going to make that work. So the bright yellow cardstock at the back is really vibrant canary yellow, and that's what came with the collection. So I thought, when else am I going to use this bright cardstock? So I purposely chose that as my backing page, and then to bring in a bit of the black from where I'd already mounted my photos, I then mounted it on a piece of black cardstock, and then the piece of patterned paper from Uniquely Creative on top. Then really simply mounted the photos in the middle and just added some really simple embellishments. Now all the embellishments except for the black enamel dots are from the collection. The title is from the collection as well, and to me these look really 80s. I don't know what it is, but I think it's the pattern or something. These are really cool. They are the Written in the Stars chipboard alpha stickers. So they're actually stickers. They are so cool, and they're nice and thick. So I just went with those for the title and kept it really simple. So that is my first 52 photos layout for 2026. If you have enjoyed this video, then please hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to check out everyone else who is playing along with this series. And also, if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, happy scrapping. Bye now.